What's the meaning of congregation? Congregation. Congregation.
Congregation. Congregation. Congregation refers to a group of people gathered together, often for religious or spiritual purposes. Typically, this term is used to describe a gathering of individuals within a church or other religious institution for worship or other communal activities. The concept of congregation may also be applied more broadly, referring to any type of group or assembly that has come together for a common purpose or shared interest. Ultimately, congregation represents the coming together of individuals in pursuit of a shared goal, idea, or belief.